Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com, and in this video we are learning what is the fastest step way to activate automatic brightness or adaptive brightness in Android mobiles. Okay, most of the phones have the name of that automatic brightness is automatic brightness, and Samsung have the name is adaptive brightness. So we can check here, you can see my brightness is here. I'm increasing that to this much level. Then you can see here there is an option that's activate automatic brightness. If you tap automatic brightness is activated, then it is normally adjust that brightness. So that's guys very simple tutorial. In this way you can simply activate automatic brightness on Android mobiles. Okay, that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.